Do you seek success for your sales team? Do you want them to maximize each selling interaction to close more sales? I'm Jason Cutter, and I've been in your shoes. I have hired and trained hundreds of sales reps. I have studied various personality-based systems in order to treat each prospect differently and close more. But systems like Myers-Briggs are too complex. Simple is always better. So I combined years of research and experience to create an easy-to-use program for your reps, the CAPS Quadrant System. I will teach your team the 4 general behavior groups, each one's biggest fears, and their preferences on how they like to buy. Most importantly, I will help your reps get out of their own way to sell to each group differently. This system can be used by any sales team selling any product or service. Are you ready to help your sales team create more success? Schedule the CAPS Quadrant training for your team today.